Some challenges as a woman in the industry are being taken seriously. There's a lot of people who think that women either can't draw, or they don't have good content, or that they just don't really have much to say. But I like to lean more towards the gritty side, the Miranda Lambert, Loretta Lynn, Jessie Coulter type, where we do have things to say. And you know, we're strong contenders with the men these days. Successes I've had, I've been featured on 94.9 The Bull's Backyard Country. So it's on their Saturday night show. I think it comes on about 9 o'clock. I'm also in the Music and Entertainment Business program at Kennesaw State, and I've got to open up for some great acts there. I've got to open for Craig Campbell for the Party on the Farm that was featured right in my hometown of Covington, Georgia. So I've had a great time. It's been a great ride, and I'm ready to see what's next.
My daddy's got a temper that'll turn on a dime, and from what I'm told, it runs in the family line. He said, girl, when it comes to men, always guard your heart. You tell them what they want to hear, but don't let it go too far. By the time I turned 15, I could handle any gun inside. He'd tell me not to rush and make sure you lined up right. And don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to fire. This ain't no fun and games, you're learning to survive. 'Cause my daddy didn't raise me to be soft or starry-eyed. He made sure his baby girl could handle this life. He said, don't you ever be afraid of any man. The only two things you need in this life is the good Lord and a steady hand.
So I actually don't have a music theory background. I know no theory whatsoever. After I bought my guitar, my dad tried to put me in lessons, and I kind of like to go at my own pace at things, and I get bored really quick. So in between the lessons, I would go home and just teach myself on YouTube. And I eventually quit the lessons altogether because I was like, you're wasting your money, I'm not paying attention to these people, so let me just learn off YouTube and I'll know how to play before you know it. And I did, and he was like, wow. So there's a lot of free resources out there for all these young people that want to learn how to play guitar or piano. I actually just purchased a piano, and I do the same thing. I'm starting to incorporate the theory into that. I'm starting to learn theory. Playing the piano, it's a little bit easier. So, I mean, you can do it any way you want. There's no written book on how to learn how to play the guitar. So currently I'm enrolled at Kennesaw State University, graduating soon, and I'm in the Music and Entertainment Business program. It's sponsored by an entertainment lawyer called Joel Katz. He was known as, his first client was James Brown, and he's awesome. The program has been great to me. They've hooked me up with some awesome shows. They are very supportive. Any Atlanta-based singer, songwriter that's also trying to go to school, I would definitely say that it is worth your while, and it's a community, we're a family, and it's probably one of the best things that's ever happened to me.
He said, I don't care what you say tonight, you're gonna be mine. The last thing that man ever saw was the barrel of my 45. He made sure his baby girl could handle this life.
Courtesy Ford, Eastside, Conyers, Georgia, for the Ford 48 with the People Station, P103. All spring and summer, we're going to all 48 Ford dealerships in the Southeast. Yes, movie. Greg Street, shouts out to my homeboy Jamal Jenkins, everybody here at Ford and Conyers, GA on the East Side. Get you that Ford Fusion Hybrid, 48 miles to the gallon. The money you spending on gas, you can drive a brand new car.